Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Wells Fargo eStatements for CPA sharing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Wells Fargo eStatements for CPA sharing, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Wells Fargo website and log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Statements tab in the main menu. From the Statements section, select eStatements. You will see a list of your available eStatements organized by date. Choose the specific eStatement you want to back up by clicking on it. The eStatement will open as a PDF file in a new window or tab. To save the document, locate the download icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click the download icon, and your eStatement will be downloaded to your computer. Choose a folder on your computer where you want to save the eStatement. It's a good idea to use a specific folder labeled Wells Fargo Statements for easy access later. Once you have selected the folder, click Save to store the eStatement. Repeat this process for any additional eStatements you wish to back up. After downloading all necessary eStatements, organize them as needed. Consider renaming the files to include the date for easier identification. Once your files are well organized, you can prepare them for sharing with your CPA. You may choose to share them via email or a secure file sharing service. Always ensure to use secure methods for sharing sensitive financial information. With these steps, your Wells Fargo eStatements will be backed up and ready for CPA review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.